it is very hard to take a selfie while holding an umbrella. Good morning guys, it is Friday, January 2nd, and today I am leaving my cousin's house and I'm moving to a hostel in downtown Sydney. And I just went on a run around the Roseville neighborhood. Later today I'm gonna have dim sum with my cousin and her family, and then it's to the hostel. So I just finished dim sum with my cousin in Chatswood. Now I'm at Central Station. I'm at Hyde Park going on a free walking tour of Sydney.
Sydney is such a nice, beautiful city with a very short but very interesting modern history.
Guys, I've been hanging out at the hostel for most of the day for the past few days, mainly because of the rain, but it's actually good because I get to do a little bit of research on like what kind of things I want to do in Sydney. I've made a list of different activities. I've joined the Meetups, I've subscribed to local newsletters. I already did a few things. Like last night I went to a board game meetup. I know it's kind of like random, but it's a good way to meet people and just having a more relaxed approach to traveling. Hopefully in the next few days it's going to be sunny again, it's going to be warmer, and then I'm going to do things outside. So this is the rain that I'm talking about. I'm not sure if you can see actually the raindrops. It's pretty much been like this for the past two days, and it's going to continue like this for another 2 days. But yeah, this is the view from my hostel room. Look what I got from the grocery store, another Kinder chocolate treat. I'm kind of selective and picky about my treats, and it just occurred to me why I love these Kinder chocolate candies so much. It has hazelnut in it, so essentially it's like Nutella, but Nutella doesn't make any chocolate treats other than the Rocher, which is a slightly different brand, but that's probably why I love these Kinder things. Actually, it turns out Rocher, which is owned by Ferrero, makes Nutella and also these Kinder things. So yeah, so I guess this is what I would love to have every single day in the States, except they don't have these. So tonight I just went to the Polyglot meetup. It's basically just a social gathering of people from all over the place. And then I figured I should just take a nice stroll to Circular Quay and check out the Opera House and also the Harbour Bridge. Alright, this is a reference of what the Sydney Opera House looks like at night in the rain. So here I stand before another world icon landmark. It feels a little different than the Eiffel Tower, which is still my favorite. I think I love the Eiffel Tower better because it has a presence over me, whereas the Sydney Opera House is still magnificent, but it doesn't have that presence as much as the Eiffel Tower. But it's still really cool to see and realize that I'm here in Sydney. And now I'm going to try to get some dessert at this place that is highly recommended. So I'm at the Circular Quay station, platform 2, and you can actually see out the harbor, sort of the Sydney Opera House right there, and the Harbour Bridge right there. It's a gorgeous view, even at night and raining. Live your best life. This is the view from my bed. The window outside to the street.